Imagine the fabric coming to life in your hands, transforming from a flat piece into a living, breathing, flawless form. Today, we aren't just working on a project. We are opening the most prestigious doors of the high-end tailoring world. When the steam meets the fiber, we aren't just sewing. We are giving the fabric character, soul, and a three-dimensional architectural depth. The secret lies in that captivating 45-degree angle. The moment you fold a square fabric corner to corner, you release its most dynamic skeleton, the true bias. When you take these strategically cut strips and fold them inward from the center line, you'll witness something truly magical. How the fabric gains that breathtaking volume, right at your fingertips. Of course, the key to this transformation is hidden in the character of the cloth itself. To achieve the best results, choose natural fibers like linen and wool blends. Look for a soft hand and a flexible drape. The more receptive your fabric is to shaping, the more professional that seamless depth will feel. Get ready for a complete revolution in your design vision. On collars, you'll achieve that signature anatomical fit on every style. On couture details, think of structured jacket pockets and elegant curved cuffs that wrap around the wrist like a petal. On limitless design, from bespoke bags to textile art, every touch will now carry the weight of a boutique-quality masterpiece. Manipulating fabric with steam is the threshold where tailoring becomes an art form. Techniques can always be learned, but the only thing that gives this fabric its soul is your unique perspective. Remember, every one of us sitting at this sewing table is a designer, weaving our dreams into reality. So, in which detail of your next project did you imagine using this professional touch? Share your thoughts in the comments side. Love to meet you there. Don't forget to join our Lara sewing family to keep expanding your vision. Enjoy the video.